Back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks. We spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, man. And in today's video, I ain't gonna keep y'all here for too long today. I just want to show y'all my rationale as to how and why I was able to make 8K in the stock market last week. I want to give y'all my 3 favorite setups to keep on the radar for this week, man. And I want to give y'all some news to keep on y'all radar that may move the market. So without further ado, let's get into the money, man, and hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and tell the chat where y'all from in the comments, man. You did. So before we start the video, man, like I told y'all in the last video, we are in a very volatile and news-driven market, as everybody's seen last week, man. There was intraday pops on SPY. If we look at the 15-minute chart, man, there was $5 moves down and up throughout the day all week. You see how this came down to 550 and then shot right back up to 562 by the end of the day. You understand what I'm saying? So with